Hey everyone. We've all been there, trying to get a handle on our money, searching for that perfect tool to make budgeting less of a chore and more of a superpower. With so many apps out there, it's hard to know which one is the right fit. Today, we're taking a deep dive into PocketGuard to see if it's the budgeting app you've been looking for. So, what is PocketGuard? At its core, it's an app designed to simplify your finances by answering one key question: how much money do I have left to spend? It does this by connecting to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions, and then calculating your in my pocket total. This is your income, minus bills, savings goals, and any budgets you've set. It's a quick, easy way to see your discretionary spending at a glance. But is that enough? PocketGuard's main strength is its simplicity and automation. If you're someone who feels overwhelmed by detailed, hands-on budgeting methods like the zero-based budget, this app could be a game changer. It helps you track your spending without forcing you to manually assign every single dollar. It also has some useful tools, like a debt payoff planner that helps you create a strategy to tackle outstanding balances. Another neat feature is the bill negotiation service, which can automatically try to get you a better deal on recurring bills. However, the free version is pretty limited. To get the most out of the app, you'll likely need to upgrade to PocketGuard Plus, which costs around $75 annually or $13 per month. This unlocks features like a debt payoff plan and custom spending categories, which are essential for more serious budgeters. Who is it for? So, is PocketGuard a good budgeting app? It really depends on your style. If you are a beginner who wants to dip your toes into budgeting without feeling overwhelmed, or if you're someone who tends to overspend and needs a simple, visual reminder of what's available, PocketGuard's In My Pocket feature is highly effective. It's a passive tool that gives you insight without demanding constant attention. On the other hand, if you want a more proactive approach, one that forces you to be intentional with every dollar and build long-term financial habits, you might find PocketGuard a bit too hands-off. Apps like You Need a Budget might be a better fit if you want to gain more control and truly change your money behavior. Ultimately, PocketGuard is an excellent tool for those who need a simplified way to keep track of their spending and work toward specific goals, especially debt repayment. It's not the most robust app on the market, but its ease of use and unique features make it a strong contender for a specific type of user.